Welcome to 729 Cashew Court Northwest, a 3-bed, 2-bath home located in a quiet cul-de-sac on the northwest side of Grand Rapids, complete with a 2-car garage, a convenient feature for parking and storage. Let's go inside. The open layout is complemented by vaulted ceilings, giving the home a spacious feel, and the living area flows into the main living space and kitchen. Now, let's take a look at the 3 separate living spaces. Each offers its own vibe, providing options for relaxation or activities. The bedrooms are roomy and comfortable, great for winding down after a busy day. Next, we have 2 full bathrooms. They're practical and well-designed, making morning routines a breeze. Downstairs, you'll find a walkout basement. This is a flexible space that can be adapted to fit your needs, whether it's work, play, or storage. Finally, let's head outside. The 2-level deck overlooks a fenced yard, a nice spot for outdoor meals or just hanging out. The home is conveniently located near schools and shopping, making errands and commutes easier. To see it all in person, schedule your private showing today.